We're being joined by Ratna Singh, who is a BJP councillor from Guwahati. Ma'am, thank you for speaking to Republic. And I want to ask you, now that the BJP has levelled such grave allegations against Congress leader Gaurav Gogoi and in fact also his wife, he has called it a defamation case and he has said that he will take appropriate legal action. Tell us more about that also, ma'am. Ma'am, can you unmute yourself? We're not able to hear you yet.
First and foremost, namaskar to each one of you. The question is that the BJP has not brought this question. It is already in the public domain. And since it is a matter of grave public concern and security of the nation, that's the reason BJP has taken this matter. And it is a matter concerned with an MP, a person, deputy leader of opposition, and he should be coming clear about all these allegations. And he's talking about defamation. Not a single word he has talked about all these allegations, which is linked to the leads, which is linked to the ISI, which is linked to the Ali Sheikh, Taqir Sheikh, and all these things. And at the same time, in what pretext he had gone to the Pakistan High Commission, he has met with the ambassador. Did he take any permission from the External Affairs, or did he come back and debrief the External Ministry? All these questions which are raised and which are concerned with his wife has to be, made clear by him. The allegations are very simple, very, very sensitive. It's not attached to a simple person. And moreover, since he is in a very sensitive post, he has to come clear. He's talking that if my wife is ISI agent, I am a raw agent. He's making it as a filmy baji, but it is not. And at the same time, it is a legacy of the Congress to talk about anti-nationals, to talk about anti-India stand they take. And all the time, if you see from Manishankar Iyer to Jairam Ramesh, and so many instances, you will find that it is a legacy of Congress. But today, the main issue has arisen because the lady who is in the issue, the wife of Mr. Gaurav Gogoi, she had worked with Leeds and she had worked with several projects which is attached with George Soros, the deep state, and funded by George Soros. She was also working with people who have lots of relations with some sort of, if you see today's tweet of, Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma has put some tweets on his page. And if you can see that Mr. Ali Sheikh, Taqir Sheikh, he has been, associated with tweeting so many things related to, Assam and several issues of Assam, Bangladeshi issues related to child marriages. And at the same time, he had, cheered Mr. Gaurav Gogoi when he had talked about the Delhi riots in 2020. So these serious allegations are not very simple ones. These need to be probed. And at the same time, calling Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma mentally imbalanced is not the call of the day. Whatever issue is there, but the real issue and the pertinent question related to the security of the nation, ISI, they are not some friendly NGOs working with India. Pakistan is not in friendly relations with India. Lashkar-e-Toiba, Jaish-e-Mohammed, all have been associated with ISI and Pakistan. So Mr. Gaurav Gogoi, who talks about Bharat Jodo Yatra with Rahul Gandhi, he could not make and give Indian citizenship to his wife since last 12 years. His wife is also not in the voter list of Jorhat. He has been playing, twice he has been the MP of Lok Sabha from Jorhat, and twice his wife has not voted. In politics, one voter also matters. So why has he not given her the right to vote? Why has he not been able to make her the Indian citizen?
Right, ma'am.
So many issues arise.
Right.
So I think he must come clean. He must make the people of Assam and India know about the true facts and brief the nation about it.
Yes. Ma'am, we hear you on that regard. In fact, I also want to inquire you in terms of action. What is it that the BJP is eyeing to do next? Now that you've said that the matter is so sensitive and it's also pertaining to national security, what are the next steps that the BJP is trying to take in pertaining to the matter?
Tomorrow on 16th, we are going to have a cabinet meetings in Assam. Assam government cabinet is going to sit. There are going to be discussions about it, and it is a matter of public concern. It has been tagged to Ministry of External Affairs, and so many things are there. But one very serious matter which arises, and you also will agree, and people will also agree, and people of Jorhat, his own constituency, people are asking that why are you not coming clean? Why are you not telling about the citizenship? Why so delay? Why are you not talking that on what grounds have you gone to the Pakistan High Commission and there is no flags of India? Both sides you are having Pakistani flags, and at the same time, after returning from the embassy of Pakistan and meeting the ambassador, you were asking sensitive questions related to the Coast Guards, related to the aeronautics, related to the defense weapons, and so many things. And your NGO, which you worked, were writing against the BSF, alleging that BSF is torturing the nationals from Bangladeshi people coming. You have always been having a soft corner of the Bangladeshi people